Hi everyone, good evening. So welcome po sa Business Orientation brought to you by eAccess Philippines, wherein you can turn your passion for travel into a profitable business. Now, are you excited? But before we proceed, let me first introduce myself. My name is Richmond Tuerto, the Sales and Marketing Manager of eAccess Philippines. Once again, welcome po sa ating Business Orientation. Now, ready na po ba kayo? Kasi kung ready na po kayo, then we will proceed with our business orientation. Okay? So, first topic natin is why join the travel and tourism industry? Bakit nga ba? Because the travel industry is actually a $1 trillion opportunity. Sobrang laki ng industriyang ito. Okay, as of now, okay, it contributes 10% to the global GDP. Sobrang laki, no? Kaya nga siya tinawag na $1 trillion opportunity. Okay, so kung susumahin po natin yung overview ng travel industry, first one, it contributes 10% to global GDP. Second, expected growth po nito is 5 to 7% annually. Pangatlo, increasing demand for affordable and premium travel experiences. Digital platforms and online travel agencies or OTAs are shaping the industries because dahil po sa mga online travel agencies, mas lumalawak pa po ang contribution ng travel industry sa buong global GDP. Kaya nga po may expected growth po ito ng 5 to 7% annually. Okay? Next, ang tanong po dyan is how to be part of the travel industry. Okay, paano nga ba po kayo maging part ng industriyang ito? First, it's because of eAccess Philippines. Okay, eAccess Philippines po is a system provider located here sa Keppel Building, Unit 604, 6th floor, okay, sa Cebu Business Park, Cebu City. So if you're here or near lang sa Cebu City, pwedeng-pwede niyo po kaming puntahan at bisitahin at pwede rin po kayong mag-orient. Okay, all you have to do is just look for me and I'll be happy to educate you or give you the knowledge on how e-access works. Okay, we have complete legalities and papers, documentation, and also office. Alam naman natin na mahirap sabihin na legit kami. We are legally operating kung opisina at legalities ay wala kaming maipabibigay. So, if you wanted to see those things, yung office namin and how we operate, then feel free to visit our office. So, I have a short clip dito.
Hello travel partners! So maraming nagtatanong sa amin kung legit at kung saan nga ba nakalocate ang aming opisina. Sakto, nandito ako ngayon sa Cebu Business Park, Keprok Building kung saan nakalocate ang aming opisina. Makikita nyo ito sa 6th floor, Unit 604. Tara guys, samahan nyo kung pumunta sa opisina namin. Dali, dali! Hi travel partners! Ngayon nandito na ako sa opisina ng eAccess kung saan ito ay legally accredited by different government agencies. At ito naman ang aming conference room. At ito naman ang aming hallway or main office kung saan kami nagtatrabaho.
Hoy, Ethan! Yung phone ko!
Guys, kailangan ko na mauna. Bye!
So, yun po yung opisina ni
Hello travel partners! So maraming nagtatanong sa amin kung legit at kung saan nga ba nakalocate ang aming opisina. Sakto, nandito ako ngayon sa Cebu Business Park, Keprok Building kung saan nakalocate ang aming opisina. Makikita nyo ito sa 6th floor, Unit 604.
office. Okay, dito po sa sabi ko nga kanina.
Tara guys, samahan nyo kung pumunta sa opisina namin. Dali, dali!
Pwede po bisitahin yung opisina namin at pwede rin po Okay, next. Now this is our landing page where you can see see the features and logins or details about our company. Okay, so ito po yung mga features ni eAccess Philippines. Easy to use system, single window, automated report and sales management, quick response support, no large deposit to suppliers, instant booking confirmations, and you can also create your own brand and business name. Later on, I will explain it to you through our live demo. So the good thing is I have already introduced to you sa isa sa mga malaking industriya, which is the travel industry. And then pinakilala ko na rin po kayo sa company na makakatulong sa inyo on how to be part of that industry, which is the E-Access Philippines. Now, ang tanong ko po sa inyo is how to start. How you will be able to start sa E-Access Philippines para maging part po kayo ng travel industry. Okay, so we have three packages po. Okay, the first one is the business package worth 4,998 and also the premium package worth 19,998 and also the master account package worth 99,998. Later on, I will explain to you kung ano nga ba ang mga difference ng mga packages na ito. Okay? So, here's the inclusions and benefits of each packages para pwede nyo pong i-compare and you can decide which package you're going to avail. The first one is the 4,998. Okay, wherein meron na po kayong free na customized tarpaulin layout. Okay, and good thing kasi it's a low-cost startup capital. Kasi as of now po, naka 50% po yan. So the original price is 9,998. But then again, right now, meron naka 50% off po ito. Kaya naging 4,998 na lang. You choose and use your own business name and logo. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, you can use your own business name. Okay, hindi po ni-access. It's your own travel agency and you can also use your own company logo. So every time magbubook ka ng airline, ng hotel, ng tours, logo ng travel agency nyo po ang lalabas sa voucher sa ticket. Weekly trainings and updates are provided. So every Friday, meron po tayong product update. And at the same time, every Sunday, meron po tayong ESPO. What do you mean by that? E-Access System Portal Orientation po ang ibig sabihin ng ESPO or ESPO. Okay, so ready-to-use digital marketing materials are provided as well. Upon registration, you will receive an email po. So meron po doon mga listahan ng mga admins and also kung saan nyo po ma-access ang ating marketing materials. Okay, complete business manual and success guide, access to our official group chat, annual awards and recognition programs, marketing materials are also provided. So provided na yan siya dito doon mismo sa digital marketing materials. So doble lang. Now, so 4,998, you have three ways to earn. The first one is a service charge or sa markup. Ibig sabihin po, you will be able to earn sa bawat markup nyo or service charge nyo sa airlines, sa hotels, sa bills, sa e-loading. Okay? And second is, hindi pa po namin na-update, no? The second one is commission. Meron na po kasi tayong mga commission. Ayun na pala, sorry. So, sa travel agents commission sa tours, sa bills pay, sa tours, sa travel insurance, sa visa, okay, meron na po kayong commission dyan. So, no need to mark up, but it depends on you. If you want to add on, much better. But if you want to be on a competitive side sa pag-market ng travel package natin, then much better. And then lastly is the direct referral bonus. So while you're doing the business, hindi mo talaga makakaila na meron talagang magtatanong sa inyo on how you were able to start your own travel and tour business. So kapag yung taong yun nagtanong at in-entertain mo at nag-purchase ng system sa'yo, okay, meron kang direct referral bonus or what we call the cashback bonus worth 1,000 pesos per sign up. Okay? So, proceed naman tayo sa premium package worth 19,998. Itong premium package, ito, applicable talaga to siya, especially if you have already the experience as a travel agent and you wanted to build a community ng mga travel agents or mga sub-agents nyo. Okay, first, sa inclusions, you will receive one premium account. Sa premium account na yan, dyan nyo po makikita lahat ng transactions ng mga sub-agents nyo and also your income as a premium account holder. Excuse me. Pangalawa, dashboard rin po siya. Lahat ng information about the number of agents na meron ka na or sub-agents, yung mga bookings mo sa airline, mga bookings sa mga sub-agents mo sa airline, sa hotel, sa tours, or any other services, dyan nyo po makikita. And lahat po ng pumapasok na passive income, dyan nyo rin po makikita sa premium account nyo. Okay, pangalawa, the business package account. So, ito pong business package account, ito po yan, itong 4998. Okay, so dalawa po kasi yung marireceive nyo. The one is for the premium and yung isa naman is for the booking. Okay, so kung wala pa po kayong DTI permit, so it is included sa premium package. Pero kung meron na, so hindi na po kami mag-i-issue ng DTI. Okay, pre-customized business tarpaulin layout is also provided. Exclusive marketing and business training will be provided kung kailan nyo po gusto. And then ready-to-use digital marketing materials is also given. Complete business manual and success guide. Ongoing support plus access to exclusive group chat. Ma-add po kayo sa isang exclusive na group chat together with all of the premium package holder. And now, annual awards and recognition programs. Okay, are provided especially those sa mga agents na magagaling and at the same time nag-excel. Okay, so create limited sub-agents. For the premium package, you can only have sub-agents up to 200 maximum. Okay, so 200 lang siya. Then again, marami na rin yung 200. So get a lifetime discount sa bawat personal tour bookings mo. So ibig sabihin, may discount ka sa bawat booking mo sa mga tour packages na kukunin mo within our company. So, earn passive income and grow your team. Isa po to sa ways to earn yung passive income. Sa bawat booking sa mga sub-agents mo, meron kang 30 pesos, 60 pesos, 50, 20 sa bawat transactions nila using their account na na-register under sa premium account mo. Okay, so Facebook ads training is also given or provided upon request kung gusto niyo po, and also incentives. Now, the good thing with the premium package, okay, meron po siyang 5 ways to earn. The first one is the service charge. Since meron din po kayong business account, pwede rin po kayo mag-cater ng mga clients na gusto magpabook ng tickets, ng hotels, and also tours. Excuse me lang po Okay. Since meron po kayong business package account, no? And then, pangalawa, the travel agent's commission. Wherein sa tours, sa travel insurance, sa visa, meron na po kayong commission doon. So, pwede rin po kayong kumita sa mga services na meron ng nakalaan na service charge or commission. First, direct referral bonus. So, every sign up po or may kukuha po sa inyong system, pag nagbayad sila ng 4998 sa inyo, automatic meron po kayong 1,500 pesos as your direct referral bonus. Pangalawa naman, if yung sub-agents nyo po ay yung sub-agents nyo po may kumuha ng system sa kanila, yung sub-agents nyo po ay kikita ng 1,000. Meanwhile, ikaw yung head nila or ikaw yung premium account holder nila at under sila sa iyo, automatic meron kang indirect referral bonus na 500 pesos per agent sign up. Tapos sa passive income naman, ito po yung mga bookings. Every time magbubook yung mga sub-agents mo, every time meron silang transaction, meron kang passive income. Like for example, sa domestic, kapag magbubook sila ng isang ticket na round trip with one passenger, meron kang 30 pesos. Okay, what if 2 passenger? 60 pesos yon. So, sa international naman, sa bawat round trip, meron kang 60 pesos per passenger. Kapag dalawang passenger, that's 120 pesos. Malaki na rin. Especially isa sa mga edge po natin is mas mura po tayo compared sa ibang system provider pagdating sa full cost na airline sa international booking. Okay, so that's the good thing with the premium package. Next naman is sa master account. So si master account po is just like a premium package, but this is much more, mas malaki yung kapital dito. So same lang po yung inclusions and benefits. The difference lang po is the capital and also the type of scope na makukuha nyo kapag nag-sign up po kayo as master. Pangalawa, ang difference rin po nila is the number of sub-agents. Sa premium, up to 200 lang yung pwede mo makuha ng mga sub-agents. Maximum yun. Sa master account holder, unlimited po yan. 1,000, 2,000 ng mga sub-agents sa inyo, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong i-cater. So, only 1,500, only 500, and only passive income. Isa po kasi sa malaking factor kung bakit pwede po kayong kumita ng malaki after a year or after 2 years, it's because of the passive income. Ang importante is alagaan nyo po yung mga agents nyo, sub-agents nyo, provide them the things and tools that they need para po mas lumago po yung negosyo nila. Kasi kung lalago po yung negosyo nila, kasama rin po kayo sa paglago nun. It's because every booking nila, meron po kayong passive income. Now, I will be showing you kung paano po kumita no, sa 4998, sa premium, and sa master. Sa 4998, pwede po kayong kumita through service charge. Tama? So, let's say for example, sa airline ticketing, so ang suggested service charge sa domestic ticket is 150 to 500 pesos ticket per way per pax po yan. For international naman, ang SSC is 800 to 1,500 pesos ticket per way per pax. So, the actual price ticket, sabihin natin ng example lang, the actual ticket price is 2,000. Na yung service charge mo is 200. Now, ang ticket price displayed sa system ni e-access is 22. So, kahit screenshot mo man yan at isend mo kay client, hindi niya malalaman kung magkano yung service charge mo. So, assuming, no, sa dalawang round trip ticket na nabebenta mo or nabubook mo per day, so that's 200 pesos na service charge is equals to 800 pesos na income. So what do I mean by that? Ibig sabihin, meron kang 800 pesos a day sa dalawang round trip na ticket. Okay, so kung everyday nakakabook ka ng dalawang round trip ticket, okay, that's 800 a day times 30 days. Kung everyday, no, meron kang booking. So that's 24,000 a month. Not bad. Especially kung this is your second source of income. Hindi siya yung primary source of income mo. So sabihin natin, kumikita ka ng sabihin natin 25,000 sa current na job mo, especially kung employed ka. Okay? Tapos ngayon, ginagawa mo si e-access, kumita ka ng 24,000 a month. That's more than 50,000 a month, guys. Okay? So next, for hotel naman, ang pwede nyo pong kitain dito is 250 pesos per room per night. So assuming, okay, nakakabook ka ng isang room for 2 nights. So that's 500 times 30 days. That's 15,000 a month. Okay, so example din sa tour packages. Okay, so assuming nakakabook ka ng isang tao per day, tapos yung commission natin is 800 pesos. So that's 800 times 30 days, that's 24,000 a month. Okay, malaking kita na rin. Okay, for the bills payment and ELO, dito medyo maliit ang yung fee na pwede mong iset kasi syempre, you wanted to be competitive, right? So assuming 10 pesos yung service charge mo, tapos nakakatransact ka ng 10 a day. So that's 100 pesos a day times 30 days, that's 3,000 a month for the bills payment. How about for e-loading naman? So, yung pwede nyo pong i-set dyan na service charge nyo is 2 to 5 pesos per transaction. So, assuming, okay, nakaka-load ka ng 10 a day. So, that's 5 times 10, that's 50 pesos a day. So, sabihin natin 50 pesos a day times 30 days kasi everyday nakaka-10 transactions ka sa load, that's 1,500 pesos. Hindi na rin masama, di ba? Yung 1,500 pwede na yung pambayad ng internet connection or kaya naman ng kuryente. Okay, so kung susumahin natin lahat, okay, lahat ng mga markup transactions nyo, ito po yung magiging total. Ang total na pwede nyo pong kitain sa lahat-lahat ng mga transactions na pinag-usapan natin kanina is up to 67,500 pesos a month. Galit ka pa ba niyan? Eh syempre kung meron kang extra source of income, mas malaking mas actually mas malaking mat- mas malaking tulong ito, especially kung hindi sapat yung primary source of income mo. O sabihin natin, sa primary source of income mo, meron kang 25,000. Tapos yung 25,000 na yun, saktong-sakto lang talaga sa monthly expenses mo, sa food mo, sa renta mo. Okay, tapos ngayon, nag-e-access ka, may extra ka pang 67,500. Malaking tulong talaga siya. Especially if you're single, especially kung isa pala yung anak mo, especially kung nagsisimula ka pa lang talaga mag-ipon. So this is a good startup for you. Actually, itong computation, ito pang tamad na to guys ha. Pero kung ikaw ay isang negosyante na and you have already the experience, okay, pagdating sa travel industry, travel agent ka na before, so it means mas marunong ka pa sa mga bago na wala pang experience. So that is a good what you call a situation on you kasi marunong ka na. And I know mas ma-maximize mo pa yung mga services na meron si E-Access Philippines. Okay? So, how to earn sa premium and master naman. So, ito papakita ko. First, sa booking income. Okay, sabi ko nga kanina, kung nakakabenta ka ng dalawang round trip ticket per day, so that's 800 pesos a day yung income mo. Kung everyday merong dalawang round trip ticket na nabubook mo, that's 24,000 a day, 24,000 a month. Okay, kapag naman ikaw ay okay, nagbebenta talaga kasi syempre gusto mo magkaroon ng maraming sub-agents. So sabihin natin nakakabenta ka ng dalawang system a day. So that's 3,000 income a day. So every day ka nakakabenta ng dalawa, that's 3,000 times 30 days, that's 90,000 a month. Sa indirect naman, what if yung mga sub-agents mo nagbebenta rin ng portal a month? Every day. So tapos nakakabenta sila ng at least dalawa. So meron kang 1,000 pesos income a day times 30 days, that's 30,000 a month. Sa passive income pa guys, okay, what if ikaw naka-premium ka, sabihin natin, yung pinaka-maximum is 200, di ba? So what if sa 200, meron kang 150 active na agents na nagbo-book ng round trip ticket a day. So that is, okay, dalawa yung nabubook nila ha. So that is 60 pesos. Okay, so since meron kang 150 na active na agents, tapos meron kang income na 60 pesos, okay, so sabihin natin 150 active na agents times 60, that's 9,000. Tama ba ako? 150, repeat natin, 150 times 60 pesos. So, 9,000. Pwede kang kumita ng 9,000 a day kung yung 150 active agents mo nakakabook ng dalawang round trip ticket a day. Okay? So, malaki po talaga siya. Ito, sa round trip ticket pa lang yan siya. Hindi pa included yung sa hotel, hindi pa included yung sa tours. Hindi ko pa nga in-include dyan yung sa tours eh. Kasi isa din yun sa ways to earn yung tours. Nakalimutan kong ilagay. Okay, so what if yan? After 2 to 3 years, yan yung na-build mo. Okay, so ito yung possible na pwede mong kitain monthly. Ang sa akin lang is hindi siya madali, no? Especially kung wala kang experience at especially kung hindi ka pa sanay. Pero through time, kapag consistent mo siyang ginagawa, everyday mo siyang gagawin, everyday ka nagpo-promote, nagla-live ka sa Facebook account mo at saka sa Facebook page mo, this is not possible, guys. Okay, so ito yung possible na pwede mong kitain a month. Almost 500,000 sa 414 a month. But, kailangan mong gumalaw. Siyempre, you need to go out of your comfort zone. This amount is big, but you need also to make big sacrifices, big transformations sa sarili mo kasi you need to attend trainings. You need also to make a massive transformation on yourself, especially wise decision, making wise decision, tapos sa mga, kung mo rin, development as an entrepreneur, kailangan na kailangan. Pero guys, worth it na worth it yun. Sabihin natin, in 2 to 3 years, ginawa mo to ng seryoso, nagkaroon ka ng sobrang daming agents, possible talaga itong 414 or more a month. Okay, so for premium and master account, meron po tayong yearly maintenance. But then again, meron tayong promo. Siyempre naman, meron tayong promo. So for the premium account holder, kapag magpa-purchase ka before September 30 ng premium account, okay, automatic waive na po yung yearly maintenance. Waive na po yan, no, for premium. But for the master account holder, ang mangyayari po is for the first year, free na po ang alin? Ang maintenance. Okay, first year lang. But for the premium, waive na po for the lifetime yung maintenance. Okay, so this is some of our testimonies. Miss Maro Garcia, owner ng Royal Farm Travel. Si Miss Risa Mitejano, owner ng Boards Travel and Tours. Tapos si Ma'am Rachel Dalino, owner ng Dalino Travel and Tour Services. Yan po yung mga testimonies or yung mga feedback nila. So meron din po tayong incentives. Okay, so we have the Boracay free 3 days and 2 nights, getaways, Hong Kong rin. So kapag nakuha mo based sa mechanics, then definitely you will get it for free. Okay, so if you wanted to start your own travel and tour business and build your community ng mga sub-agents, okay, make sure to pay sa bangko ng EBI services ko, sa alimang bangko, BPI man or BDO, and send us the receipt. Send to me the receipt and I will be the one to process your registration. 24 hours lang po yung processing. Okay? I just need the form, I just need one valid ID and the proof of receipt. Yun lang po yung kailangan. So, before we end, I would like to congratulate everyone sa makakapanood ng video na ito. And if you have questions, guys, feel free to reach out to me through my social media account. Okay, so once napanood nyo na po ito, pwede nyo po akong i-message at pwede po akong mag-live demo ng account ni E-Access Philippines for you. Okay, so congratulations and welcome aboard.